Hello friends, Judy here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do your own inexpensive nightstand made out of crates. I first saw this idea on Pinterest and really fell in love with it, so I made myself one a few months ago. It's pretty simple and it's pretty easy, so if you want to learn how to make your own nightstand, then keep on watching. For this project, you'll need 2 crates. I recommend getting it from Joann's because their crates have a smoother finish than any other ones I've seen. Some spray paint, this one is from Rust-Oleum in Stone Gray. A 48-inch dowel rod, which you'll need to cut into 4 pieces at 4 inches each. And some Gorilla wood glue. To begin, you want to of course remove any labels and leftover adhesive, but if you're having trouble doing that, you can get a warm wet towel and rub it off. That did the job for me. And then after that, you can just start spray painting. So while the crates are drying, you can go ahead and start spray painting the legs. The spray paint takes about 20 minutes to 40 minutes to dry. So once it's dried, take some wood glue. I'm using Gorilla wood glue and generously apply it on one of the crates. And then place the other crate on top. This step is optional, but since I'm using dowels as legs, it doesn't have anti-dent felt underneath, so I took some foam squares that I bought from Dollar Tree, cut them to size, and glued it at the bottom of each leg using a glue gun. The reason I'm using dowel rods instead of actual furniture legs is because 48-inch dowel rod is $10, while individual legs at Home Depot were about $6 each. I still have 32 inches left over from my dowel rod and I can make another set of legs out of them. So it was just another way to save some money. So lastly, you want to take those legs and glue them to the underside of the crate. I suggest choosing a side that may not look as good to be the bottom. And these take about 2 hours to dry, depending on where you have them set out. I just left them in my backyard, and where I live, it's about 100+ degree weather. So I think that may have helped with the quick drying. But I just left them outside for about 2 hours, did some stuff, and then came back out and they were fully dried by that point. That's it friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I surely enjoyed making it. If you tried this project, give this video a thumbs up and let me know how yours went in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at JudyIY for more DIY ideas. See you next time.